Oats, a humble grain, have risen to prominence as a nutritional powerhouse in recent years. Renowned for their versatility, health benefits, and adaptability in various dishes, oats have become a staple in many households. Today, we will delve into the fascinating world of oats, exploring their nutritional profile, health benefits, and creative ways to incorporate them into your daily diet. Nutritional profile. Oats, scientifically known as Avena sativa, are a whole grain that provides a rich source of essential nutrients. Let's break down the nutritional profile of oats. Complex carbohydrates. Oats are primarily composed of complex carbohydrates, which release energy slowly, providing a sustained source of fuel for the body. This makes them an excellent choice for breakfast or pre-workout meals. Dietary fiber. Oats are a remarkable source of soluble fiber, particularly beta-glucans. This type of fiber helps lower cholesterol levels, stabilize blood sugar, and promote a healthy digestive system. A high fiber content also contributes to a feeling of fullness, aiding in weight management. Protein. Oats contain a decent amount of protein, making them a valuable addition to vegetarian and vegan diets. The protein in oats is of high quality, containing essential amino acids necessary for muscle repair and overall body function. Vitamins and minerals. Oats boast an array of vitamins and minerals, including vitamin B1, thiamine, vitamin B5, pantothenic acid, magnesium, phosphorus, zinc, and iron. These nutrients play crucial roles in energy metabolism, bone health, and immune function. Health benefits. Heart health. The beta-glucans in oats have been linked to improved heart health by reducing cholesterol levels and blood pressure. Regular consumption of oats can contribute to a lower risk of cardiovascular diseases. Blood sugar control. The soluble fiber in oats slows down the digestion and absorption of carbohydrates, helping to regulate blood sugar levels. This makes oats an excellent choice for individuals with diabetes or those aiming to prevent the onset of the condition. Weight management. Oats' high fiber content promotes a feeling of fullness, reducing overall calorie intake. Including oats in your diet can be an effective strategy for weight management and appetite control. Digestive health. The fiber in oats aids in maintaining a healthy digestive system by preventing constipation and promoting regular bowel movements. It also supports the growth of beneficial gut bacteria. Creative ways to enjoy oats. Classic oatmeal. Start your day with a warm bowl of classic oatmeal topped with fresh fruits, nuts, and a drizzle of honey. Overnight oats. Combine oats with yogurt, milk, or a non-dairy alternative, and let them soak overnight. In the morning, add your favorite toppings for a quick and nutritious breakfast. Oat smoothies. Blend oats into your favorite smoothie for an extra boost of fiber and nutrients. Oat flour. Grind oats into a fine powder to use as a gluten-free flour alternative in baking. Savory oat dishes. Experiment with savory oat recipes, such as oat risotto or oat-based veggie burgers. Oats, with their impressive nutritional profile and numerous health benefits, have rightfully earned their place as a dietary staple. Whether enjoyed as a comforting bowl of oatmeal or incorporated into creative recipes, oats offer a versatile and delicious way to enhance your overall well-being. Consider making oats a regular part of your diet to experience the myriad advantages they bring to the table.